Good morning, dear blooming students and friends. You are most welcome to this channel. And I would like to introduce myself to you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, and has been a TGT in different Navodaya Vidyalayas. Yes, today let us learn how to change structure in imperative sentence into passive voice. Imperative sentence. Here, order, command, advice, request. These are the main areas in which imperative sentence is structured. Example has been given here. Shut the door. Darwaja band karo. The first generalization of this structure is here. Active verb here. Shut. Shut active here. Active verb to be changed into let subject be verb third form. Let then subject verb third form. Subject means here shut the door. Door here object. You here hidden. Imperative sentence में you छिपा हुआ होता है. You छिपा हुआ है और door ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. इसका ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. लेकिन ये सब्जेक्ट बनेगा इधर आकर के. Let the door be shut. Let the door be shut. Let का प्रयोग. You see here let. If for your general structure, for your general sentence, general imperative sentence, now let then subject then verb be followed by verb third form. Let be verb third form. Let the door be shut. Do your homework. अपना काम homework करो. Let का प्रयोग करिए. Let your homework be done. Let and be verb third form. Be done. Don't fell the trees. पेड़ों को नहीं काटो. Don't fell the trees. Negative structure here, negative sense here. Don't fell the trees. Fell काटना. Don't तो let the trees. Okay. Not to be felt. Not to be felt. Not. Here you see just before be not has been used. Let the trees not be felt. Okay, don't touch the wire. Wire तार को नहीं छुओ. Let का प्रयोग करेंगे. Let the wire है. ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट इसका है, ये सब्जेक्ट यहाँ बन गया. तो let the wire not be touched. Touched verb third form. Touched. Be touched verb third form. Okay, be verb third form. So this is first generalization while changing into a passive voice. That is to be used while structuring the sentences. And if next generalization, that is should active verb in active voice. Active verb here. Then to be transformed into as should be verb third form. This is your second generalization. Help the poor. The poor, here has become subject. The poor should be helped. Should be helped. Verb third form. Allow your nation. Allow your nation. Your nation should be loved. Your nation should be loved. Okay, should be. Passive form. Don't insult the weak. Don't. Negative structure. Negative means someone has been forbidden, has been asked not to do. So the weak should not be insulted. Not just before be. Likely so many other sentences you may transform, you may change into passive voice using let then followed by be verb third form. Second generalization, that is should be verb third form. Next, now suppose if there is advice, suggestion, okay, advice, suggestion. So these two systems, two patterns here have been given here. So it is for your general use, general uses or structure. Okay. Here suggestion should shows that it is now suggestion. Okay. Suggestion should suggestion, advice. Lightly it has been given to you. And third generalization, according to this generalization, if in your active voice verb is active in active voice, then while changing into passive voice, should verb third form. Should verb third form. How? Should verb first form. Or should followed by verb first form. Okay. And here let has been used. Let. It means suggestion, advice. If such a structure, it is in active voice using let. Let us work together. हमें एक साथ काम करने दीजिए. Work together. It is suggested that we should work together. Suggested that. It is suggested that we should work together. Suggestion. For your suggestion, you may frame, you may change the voice on this system. Let us live together. हमें एक साथ रहने दीजिए. It is advised or suggested that we should live together. हमें एक साथ रहना चाहिए. Okay. You know, as per you may say, it is suggested. It is your principal clause, and that we should work together. The noun clause. आप नाउन क्लॉज पढ़ते समय ये आप देख सकेंगे. ओके, यहाँ फिर भी ये प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, ये नाउन क्लॉज. सेंटेंस बनेगा आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. जब हम वो क्लॉज पढ़ेंगे फिर इसका हम अध्ययन करेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी आप जानते रहिए. तो एडवाइस हो गया. रिक्वेस्ट, कभी कभी रिक्वेस्ट होता है. Example here has been given to you. Kindly mind your own business. कृपया अपना काम करिए. Means कृपया अपना काम करिए. कृपया, kindly and please. Okay. It shows a request. A request of a speaker. Kindly mind your own business. Then आपका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह हो जाएगा. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड. टू इन्फिनेटिव का प्रयोग हो जाएगा. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड. एक्टिव वॉइस में आपने देखा कि वर्ब एक्टिव है. माइंड. काइंडली माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस. माइंड वर्ब हियर एक्टिव वर्ब है. It would be to infinitive in passive. To infinitive in passive. You are requested. अब इसको आप ले लेंगे. Your own business, अपना बिजनेस करिए, काम करिए. You are requested to mind, to infinitive, your own business, to infinitive. Okay, active verb to be changed into to infinitive, to mind your own business. Mind your own business means you are requested to mind your own business. Please stand up. खड़ा हो जाइए. Request here. You are requested to stand up. To infinitive. While changing into passive voice to infinitive, that is used. Followed by, okay, you are requested. Followed by to infinitive. To infinitive. To infinitive. Next, that is now order or command. Order or command, in that case, what to do? Sit down. If it is order by teacher, order of principal, order of an authority, okay, then you are ordered. Sit down. You are ordered. Again followed by to infinitive, to stand up. You are ordered. March on. आगे बढ़ो. You are ordered or commanded, followed by to infinitive, to march on. You are ordered or commanded to march on. Work hard. Teacher says to students, work hard. कठिन परिश्रम करिए. Work hard. You are advised. You are maybe, if it is ordered, but it here suggestion. You are advised. You are suggested to work hard, to infinitive. Okay, open fire. Fire कर दो. Fire open कर दो. Open fire. Active verb है. You are commanded to open fire. You are commanded to open fire. To open fire. Okay. To stand up, to march on, to work hard, to open fire. Infinitive. And as per sense, meaning, okay, sequence, order, command, advise, request. If advise, you are advised. Suggested. If request, you are requested. Okay, you are requested. You are requested. If request, you are requested. If advise, you are advised. And if there is command or order, you are commanded, you are ordered. Like so many other sentences here, you may frame on this pattern. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.